Hi there, how you doing? Alistair Pope here. I'm back. Did you see what happened to me in the last video? I've been on quite an adventure, but I'll tell you all about it another time. I'm back, I'm refreshed, and I'm ready to make new videos that educate and entertain. I'm not sure if they inform though. Channel update. I've reached 500 subscribers. Now, of course, I thought YouTube would send me some sort of platinum plaque or something for that. I've heard they do that, right? Turns out you have to get a few more subscribers to get one of those. But what they did send me was this email. High five, Alistair Pope. You have enough fans to fill a jumbo jet. It's got this groovy animation of 500 people getting into a jumbo jet. Your YouTube channel is up to 500 subscribers. That's amazing. I agree, that is amazing. We can't wait to see where you'll take your channel next. To 1,000. Well done. From the YouTube team. Hey, thanks YouTube team. That's really sweet of you. But seriously, thank you for subscribing. I've managed to go from 317 subscribers in April. Now those are all from years ago, those are all from 2012, but April's to May, June, July, here we are in August, 4 months later I've gained another 200 subscribers. That is amazing, thank you so much. I hope I can make it worth your while by providing you with content that makes you laugh and play the guitar better. Proper guitar lesson video next week. See you then, thanks for watching, bye bye.